The new Husqvarna Svartpilen 401 is a motorcycle that combines modern street bike performance with a rugged, minimalist design. Its compact body, distinctive styling, and upright riding position make it stand out from typical motorcycles in the same category. Design and styling. The Svartpilen 401 features Husqvarna's signature minimalist design, with a muscular fuel tank, round LED headlight, exposed mechanical components, and a compact tail section. The scrambler-inspired appearance gives the bike a premium and aggressive personality, while the high-quality finish makes it attractive both in the city and on open roads. Engine and performance. Power comes from a 399cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The engine is designed to deliver strong low and mid-range performance, making the Svartpilen 401 exciting for everyday riding as well as weekend trips. Its lightweight construction also helps the bike feel quick and agile when accelerating or changing direction. Features and technology. The motorcycle comes with modern equipment such as LED lighting, a digital instrument display, electronic rider aids, and modern braking technology. Depending on the market and model specification, features can include multiple riding modes and traction control assistance, giving riders greater confidence in different conditions. Ride and handling. One of the biggest strengths of the Svartpilen 401 is its handling. The relatively compact dimensions and upright ergonomics make it easy to control in traffic, while quality suspension and strong brakes help provide confidence on winding roads. It offers a fun, responsive riding experience without feeling unnecessarily heavy. Final verdict. The new Husqvarna Svartpilen 401 is a stylish and capable motorcycle for riders who want something different from the usual street bikes. It combines distinctive design, punchy performance, modern technology, and agile handling in one package. If you want a motorcycle that looks unique and feels exciting to ride, the Svartpilen 401 deserves a serious look.